All right, let's take a closer look at this brand new headgear because it's pure magic. All right, let's take it apart and I'll try and explain exactly what's going on and how it works. Here we go. So this cable here actually runs through this piece right to the other side. You see it there? As I'm doing that. And what happens is this actual cable, if I pull this back here, runs right through here. You can see it turns to this thicker material. That's the same cable. It goes from thin, it's got a little locking mechanism here, and then it goes to this thicker cable, and it's locked in up here at this point. Now, the magic is this tiny little locking mechanism here. So what happens is this, when you pull this way, it's quite firm, right? But if it goes back the other way, no resistance. Resistance, no resistance. That there is the magic. That little tiny section here. How cool is that? And then this little part here, you can't see it, but basically as you thread that wire through, it goes through kind of like a little maze here, and then it always comes out at the top section. So I'll see if I can do it here. So thread it in through the maze. And it comes out the top. That part then locks into place. The magic, that slides over the top. And then the same thing again, this time though, with this side, it goes under here, through the maze, and then you'll see this part here actually goes in the top little section of this frame. You can imagine how long it took them to develop this. Like, I know it looks pretty simple and all, but man, it's not. And then it clicks on, and then this part clicks on, and that's it. Crazy stuff. Really, really cool. I mean, there you have it.